Imagine a waterway that connects two oceans, a feat of engineering that has been called one of the 7 wonders of the modern world, but at what cost in human lives and suffering? The idea of a canal across Central America dates back to 1513, when the Spanish conquistador Vasco Núñez de Balboa first crossed the Isthmus of Panama. He wrote in his journal the possibility of a canal, but it would take centuries for the concept to become a reality. The narrow Isthmus of Panama, separating the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, was the perfect location for a canal. European powers soon noticed the possibility of digging a water passage between the two oceans. In the late 19th century, technological advances and commercial pressure allowed construction to begin in earnest. French entrepreneur Ferdinand de Lesseps led the initial attempt to build a sea-level canal, as he had previously achieved in the building of the Suez Canal. However, the project was plagued by engineering problems and a high worker mortality rate due to tropical diseases. The French Canal Company collapsed in 1889, and a second French company was formed to take over the assets. However, it was the United States that eventually took over the project, with President Theodore Roosevelt gaining congressional support to buy the French canal concession and equipment. The U.S. converted the original French sea-level plan to a more realistic law-controlled canal, which was a crucial decision in the success of the project. The American success in constructing the canal hinged on 2 factors: converting the original French sea-level plan to a more realistic law-controlled canal, and controlling the diseases that had decimated workers and management alike under the French attempt. The U.S. chief engineer John Frank Stevens built much of the infrastructure necessary for later construction, and his successor George Washington Goethals oversaw the completion of the canal. The construction of the canal was a massive undertaking, with a workforce of over 40,000 laborers. The canal was divided into 3 divisions: Atlantic, Central, and Pacific. The Central Division, overseen by Major David Du Bois-Gallard, was responsible for the most daunting task, the excavation of the Calabar Cut through the roughest terrain on the route. The healthcare advances made during the construction of the canal were just as important as the engineering advances. William C. Gorgas, an expert in controlling tropical diseases, led the efforts to improve worker conditions. He recognized the role of mosquitoes in the spread of diseases such as yellow fever and malaria, and implemented measures to control the mosquito population. On January 7, 1914, the French crane boat Alexander Lavallee became the first to traverse the entire length of the canal. The construction was officially completed on April 1, 1914, and the canal opened to commercial traffic on August 15, 1914, with the transit of the SS Ancon. The Panama Canal has had a profound impact on global trade and commerce. It has reduced the time and distance for ships to travel between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans and has become a vital link in world shipping. The canal has been periodically upgraded, with a major expansion project completed in 2016 that allows for the transit of larger Neo-Panamax ships. The construction of the Panama Canal was not without its challenges and controversies. The U.S. took control of the canal and the surrounding Panama Canal Zone, which remained a territory of the United States until 1977. The Torrijos-Carter treaties provided for the handover of the canal to Panama, which was finally completed on December 31, 1999. The Panama Canal has been called one of the 7 wonders of the modern world, and its legacy continues to shape the world today. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the determination to connect the world. The canal has had a profound impact on global trade and commerce, and its influence will be felt for generations to come. In 2017, it took ships an average of 11.38 hours to pass between the canal's 2 outer locks. The top 5 users of the canal were the United States, China, Chile, Japan, and South Korea. The canal is managed and operated by the Panamanian government-owned Panama Canal Authority. The Panama Canal is a marvel of modern engineering, and its story is one of perseverance, innovation, and sacrifice. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the determination to connect the world. The canal will continue to play a vital role in global trade and commerce, and its legacy will be felt for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more documentaries on the most fascinating stories in history.